Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about dictionaries. Creating a dictionary. Accessing values in a dictionary. In order to access dictionary values you will need a key. Delete. You can use del keyword to delete an entire dictionary or dictionary items. Updating values in a dictionary. Syntax dict key equals new underscore value. Adding an item into dictionary. Syntax dict new underscore key equals value. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.